Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your Discovery Bank to the Rocket Money app. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you are trying to work in your budgeting and finances and you're banking with Discovery. How do you actually go ahead and connect your Discover Bank to your Rocket Money app? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. So the first thing that you want to do is click on the gear icon on the upper left-hand corner. Then click on linked accounts. And then from here, click on add institution. Now this is where you can actually go ahead and see the different type of banks that you can connect to your Rocket Money app. Go ahead and click on discover. And then this service or software called Plaid is going to open up. Now with this basically is used to connect your account in seconds and also keep your data safe. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and connect Discover Bank with your Rocket Money account. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next